Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Almond Coin reviews from United Kingdom. Let's see whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. Here you can see the collection of clothing, houseware, shoes and accessories. In clothings, you can see the cotton coat women, solid underwear, blouse tops, trousers, sweaters, windbreaker coat, so many products along with their price. If you go to houseware, you can see the travel bag, hairbrush, touch screen gloves, so many products with their price. If you go to shoes and accessories, you can see the elastic band boots, elastic waist belt, so many products with their reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. So let's go to the payment option. They accept the major credit cards, debit cards and PayPal. If you want to do the payment by PayPal, then use the Credit Card Express. Then you need to enter your card details and click on the submit button and the payment will be processed. If you don't want to do the payment by PayPal, use only credit cards, then click the checkout option, go to page payment page and then do the credit and debit card. Then the transaction fee will be 1%. So let's check the shipping information. Shipping, they usually do free shipping over 9.99 pounds. So they do the delivery to hundreds of customers across the world. Here there is no much information about the shipping policy. They don't mention the number of days required for shipping and required for delivery. So that is one negative point of this website. So let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. So before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost the spirit to make more such informative videos. So let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. So this website is protected by HTTPS. That means the payment gateway is safe and secure. So it is registered on 25th July 2020 and expires on 25th July 2021. So this website is registered recently and for a short period of time. So this is also one negative point of this website. So let's check the About Us page. So About Us page is plagiarized and you don't find much information about the owner of this website and anything about this website. You don't get any information. So that is also one negative point of this website. So let's see the contact address. So in contact address, they have not mentioned any physical address here. Only you can see the email ID support@advisoryservice.vip. So let's go to the social media presence. So I don't see any social media present mentioned here. So if we Google it, it is not active in any social media. So that is also a negative point of this website. So let's see the return and refund policy. So in return and refund policy, they accept the order cancellation before the product is shipped or produced. They accept return of the products. The customers have the right to apply for the return within 14 days after the receipt of the product. And once the return is received and inspected, you will get an email and notification of the receipt. If you don't get any refund amount, then you need to contact at support@advisoryservice.vip. So this is what they said. So let's check about the customer reviews. So customer review page is not updated here, and I don't see any customer reviews of any products. If you Google it and search, I don't see any rating of this website and any customer reviews. So this is also one negative point of this website. So the content detailing is quite fine. There is no spelling errors. Products are well specified. But friends, based on the above discussion, this website might be a scam or suspicious website. You need to do your own research effectively before investing any money or selection of any products. So I can see there are several negative indicators. So do your best research and then invest your money. So you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.